Hello everyone, this is Nabanita. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my another makeup tutorial. So in today's video, I will be sharing how I achieve no makeup look step by step. So stay tuned till the end and get ready with me. At first, I have washed my face properly with the face wash and it is very important to follow your cleansing, toning, moisturizing routine and prepping your skin properly to achieve no makeup. At first, I have applying MAC Prep Prime Spray all over my face for prepping my skin. After that, I will be using PAC Aquablast water-based moisturizer to moisturize my skin properly. The last step of prepping your skin is primer. Here I am using primer from MAC. This primer provides your skin long-term hydration, smoothness and softness. Then the foundation part. Here I mix two foundation NC30 and NC44 and applying this all over my face and blend it properly. My actual shade is NC42. I didn't have NC42, so I made my own shade and blend the foundation with the kabuki brush in a dabbing motion to get full coverage and airbrush finish. From my side, brush is better than the makeup blending sponge for blending. Next, for highlighting, I am using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. Applying this concealer for highlight my under eye area, bridge of nose, upper lip area, mouth area, chin, forehead and jawline. And blending everything seamlessly with the beauty blender. Next, to set my all cream products, I have applying MAC Studiofix Compact Powder with the help of the small round powder brush. After that, I have done my powder contour with this Myglam Pose HD bronzer for specify proper dimension of my face. Then I am using powder blush from this beautiful Imagic blush palette and applying it on apples of my cheek and little bit of my nose as well. And in the meanwhile, I have done my eyebrows. Then the eyeshadow part. For eyeshadow base, I have using the same concealer palette from MAC Cosmetics and applying very minimal product as eye base with help of this small flat brush. And blending the eye base with help of this small beauty blender from PAC. And set the eye base with MAC Studiofix Compact Powder. For eye makeup, I am using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Shopaarel. Firstly, I have taken this light brown color and defined the crease line of my eyes and lower lash line with the help of this small round fluffy brush. After that, I have taken the dark brown shade and applying on my crease line and lower lash line and blending all the color properly with circular motion. At last, I have applying this yellowish shade for blending all the color nicely. There should be no harsh line after blending. After that, I am applying white kajal from Wet n Wild on my waterline. Then I have taken this darkest brown color and applying it on my lower lash line with the help of this small pencil brush. After that, I am using highlighter from Imagic and applying it on my brow bone, inner corner of my eyes, chin and upper lip area, bridge of my nose, then applying it on my cheekbone. Then applying highlighter on my forehead area. So the makeup is almost done now, and to set it I will be using the makeup fixer from PAC Instant Fixation and will be waiting for 1 to 2 minutes for drying it out. Then I am using mascara from Nykaa Cosmetics. And for the lips, I have used lipstick from Lakme 925 in the shade Nude Dreame. Links to all the products I have used in this video will be given in the description box. You can check it. So guys, this is my final look, the ultimate no makeup look. Are you enjoying watching this video? Let me know in the comment section, and please like and share this video, and please subscribe my channel for future updates. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.